good looking? You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make my chicken sausage and peppers, and we're going to be doing it on the Blackstone Griddle. So let's go on over to the Blackstone Griddle in my outside kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today I've been challenged to do Get Out of the Kitchen challenge by Lori, and she's from Whippoorwill Holler, and be sure to go over and check out her channel because she did a fantastic Dutch oven ribs outside. Now be sure to watch that video. I'll leave a link up above for that. But the one who put this challenge out was Miss Vicky over at Vicky's Country Home, and it's hashtag Get Out of the Kitchen Challenge. Hey there, good looking. Today I'm going to sit there and show you how to do one of our family favorites, and today we're doing it outside and we're going to do it on our Blackstone Griddle. Let's quick run through the list of ingredients that you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing some red peppers, some yellow peppers, some orange sweet peppers, salt and pepper. You're going to be needing some breakfast sausage links, and I prefer to use the Johnsonville breakfast sausage links when I do make this recipe. And then I have some chicken breast over here, and I have 4 of them in the bowl. I have 2 packages of the Johnsonville breakfast sausage links, and then you're going to be needing some red wine vinegar, and you're going to be needing some peanut oil. Now, I'm going to sit there, decore, and de-seed the peppers and slice them all up. I'm going to slice up the breakfast sausage links into chunks, and I'm going to cut up the chicken breast meat, and I'm going to cut them into bite-sized pieces as well. And while I'm doing all that, I'm going to sit there and preheat my Blackstone Griddle. And here I have it all sliced and chopped up. And now I'm going to take you over to the Blackstone Griddle and we're going to get this baby cranking. Now put a little bit more oil down, and I'm going to grab our plate after we spread some of this oil all out. Okay, I'm going to put my peppers down. And then in the center part, I'm going to sit there and put my sausage down. And then on this end, I'm going to sit there and plunk the chicken all down. Now I'm going to quick wash my hands. Now let's go ahead, spread the chicken out. Let's do the same thing with our sausage. You're going to want to try to get it all a single layer. And now, just let this all sit and brown up a little bit. Our peppers, you can move them around because you're going to want to get them tender crisp. Now let the Blackstone work its real magic. And while they're cooking, I'm going to sit there and give them a sprinkling of pepper. And of some kosher salt. And here on the side of the chicken, I'm going to put down maybe a teaspoon or so, a drizzling of vinegar over the top of my meat. Let's go ahead, give that all just a good little stir. Now, it shouldn't be sticking, and if it's sticking, just leave it sit. That means it's not quite ready to be disturbed. See, like right there. This piece here, it wasn't ready quite yet. Spread that all back out. Let that all cook up. Let's give our sausage all a good little stir and flip. Spread that all back out. Let's come down here to our peppers. Give them all a good stir and toss. Spread them all back out. Like we said, we're going to cook the peppers until they're tender crisp. You're going to want to cook your sausage all the way through, and you're going to want to make sure our chicken is cooked all the way through as well. And there it all is, frying up real nice. Give the peppers another toss. They're almost done the way that they should be. We're going to sit there and flip our sausages all over again. And I'm going to put the sausages all over here with the peppers. And we're going to toss the chicken one more time. Okay, I brought a dish over that I'm going to be putting it all in. But first, we need to mix this all up. So let's go ahead and let's get mixing. Now I'm just going to scoop it up and place it into my serving dish. Now we're just going to sit there and let this rest in our bowl for about 10 minutes. I want you to add 1 more teaspoon of the red wine vinegar. Lightly drizzle that over everything inside the serving dish. Add a little bit more pepper. Add just a tad more salt. And now take your serving utensil and just kind of give it a gentle toss. So everything that you drizzled with the vinegar on top kind of gets mixed in throughout, and it starts to get all the flavors inside the serving dish to mingle and be merry and have one heck of a party. And then we'll serve some up. Now I have myself the serving dish. Let's go ahead and serve ourselves up some. And bon appetit. Now that's how I like to eat mine. I like to have a pepper in each bite, along with a piece of chicken and a sausage. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, go up above, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a video. And y'all come back now here. So if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings, and y'all come back now here. I'm supposed to be sitting there and putting the challenge out there for 2 people. I'm gonna sit there and I'm challenging. Now the hard part comes, picking. Now, I wanted to pick a few special ladies, but they've been really super busy this summer, so I'm not going to bog them down with doing this challenge. But Tay, you're it, Homestead Tessie, and Helga over at Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. I can't wait to sit there and see what you all come up with.